Hello everybody, how's it going? My name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. It has been a while since I actually done a cover weekly of what's been happening in the cryptocurrency market in the past week, and I will talk about it right now by currently looking at CoinMarketCap. As we can see, Bitcoin is not doing so well. It's currently just broke under $40,000. Like I said before in the previous video, if it holds under $40,000, the next range would be like 35 in terms of support level, and then if it breaks below that, well then bear market confirmed, I guess. I don't know. Also got Ethereum under $3,000, not looking so hot either. And then we take a look at Cardano. Oh my goodness, por qué Dios está conmigo? No, por qué? 84 cents. It's under $1, guys. But hey, that's perfect time to accumulate, am I right? All right, let's talk about some NFT news. So currently what's been going on, well, some of the two projects that have recently launched or are launching are the Boss Cat Rocket Club when they announced their Vox. And currently right now their floor price is at 474, but this is before rarity rankings are released. So I am holding off right now just because the initial drop was at 600 and it's currently at 4. I do see it around 300 at the lowest once the rarity rank charts are released and people realize how rare some of these voxels are, and then that's when I'll be planning on scooping some of these up. And by some I mean one, because that's all the amount of ADA I got since it crashed. All my ADA is gone. For the lazy llamas, this one has not dropped yet, and this one is currently in process to be released around May 7th. And here's the requirements. Currently right now I only have one OG llama, so what I'm currently debating is purchasing another OG llama to obtain this Vox, or having one Biomutant, which if we could take a look right now at their floor price, Lazy Llamas is at 290 floor right now, and Biomutant's floor price currently 455. I don't have one of these, but it might be a good thing to pick one of these up or another OG llama. You guys comment down below, let me know, and if you're selling either one of them, hey man, hit me up. Check out my Twitter and DM me. Like I said before, Boss Voxes have already released, so as always, whenever something drops, their original whitelist, as you could say, holders, the floor price eventually drops, and it's at 1300. Really want one so badly, so if anyone wants to sell me a Boss Cat Rocket Club cat for 1,000 ADA, that's all I got. Take it or leave it. But other than that, that's going to conclude our NFT news for the week and cryptocurrency market at its current state. Let me know what you guys want me to cover next, any new NFT projects, new Cardano drops, or any updates you want on some certain past projects. Let me know, comment down below. Make sure to check out my Twitter for any NFT updates on the fly and on the dot, right? An instant updates, which by the way, Elon Musk has just purchased Twitter for $44 billion. So that's some news. So let me guys know if you think Twitter's going to end up being better with no censorship. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give a big old thumbs up, like, comment down below, turn on post notifications, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. And as always, what do I say at the end? Damn, it's been that long. And I will see you guys. There you go. And I will see you guys in the next one.